Hey everyone, this is your boy JK back with another car video. Today's video we're opening up this Mini 10 Celebi. So let's see what's inside, baby. So we got ourselves a little token. Alright. Put the lights on. Okay, oh! It's two shining. Let me see, one and... Okay. We got two shining fates. Let's go. The first pack. We'll go this very fast. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Oh, we got fire, baby. Let's go. Gym Trainer. Luxio. Dartrix. Cacnea. Choodle. Ep.9. Nicket. Horsey. Oh, whoops. Oh, wow, we got Corvisquire and Luxray. Nice. We got reverse. Nice, reverse. Let's go to the next pack. Quickly. We got the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. No fighting. Luxio. Towel. Okay. Repecco. Eevee. Another one Eevee. Nice. Crossifleur. Yanma. Snoom. Eevee as a reverse. And we got Boss's Order. Well, folks, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Peace out.